There's a number of questions that we get asked every year by customers, and one of those is when to prune summer flowering shrubs.
Well, a good solid rule of thumb, Derek, with summer flowering shrubs is to prune after the flowers have gone. We can see the difference in coloration on the stem here. This lighter, paler section here represents the previous year's growth, and therefore we have the flower on the top of that.
Yeah.
So that flower has gone over, so we can quite easily get in there, snip that. When all of them have gotten to that stage, cut them back in a similar fashion to that. You maximise the time available for new growth, therefore maximise flowers for next season.
Once they're finished flowering, cut them back.
Cut them back.
Another commonly asked question that we get by customers is, what is an annual plant? In front of me are a few examples of annuals.
Annuals differ from biennials and perennials in that they complete their life cycle within 1 year. So they germinate, develop roots, develop a stem, leaves, flowers, and set their seed within 1 year. So it's very much a one-shot deal with these. They're great for impact, great for instant colour. That's what they're all about.
They're only going to be around for 1 year, so make the most of them. I often have people coming in to me looking to see what they can plant where, whether it's full sun, semi-shade, or shade. I know myself, my favourite plant for shade would be the Fatsia japonica here.
The big foliage plants here that we see, like the hosta, like the fatsia, like the grasses and like ferns, they'd normally be associated with deeper shade, almost woodland type plants.
You have the hydrangea here, and that's a nice flowering plant for shady conditions. And we've got the heuchera here at the front for foliage and flower.
Absolutely, the hydrangea, and the perennial there is the astilbe.
Astilbe, yeah.
That will flower very successfully in partial shade.
Yeah.